Please, soon, both again. Both the gift shop will close in about 7 or 8. Most gift shop are between 2. Late bargain here in this super expensive New York City. You're definitely going to want to check it out before you get off this boat. What you see is all we got. Once it's gone, it's gone. So check it out before it's all gone. I'm not lying. You'll be super happy. All the license plates, the hats, the shot glasses are only $5 today. What you see is all we got. And if you're hungry or thirsty, come on down and see our bartender because he is waiting for you. We hope you guys enjoyed your time out there with the Statue of Liberty. We are now returning to Pier 36. We hope you enjoyed the time here. You're looking to your left. That is New York's Freedom Tower, built near the site of the former Twin Towers location. You can visit this tower as well as the area and pay your respects at the memorial. There are 2 waterfalls at the memorial, built on what's called the footprints of the 2 towers. You'll find a waterfall and the names of all the people that perished in that day around the waterfall. You can also visit the Tribute Center in St. Paul's Chapel and learn more about you look at the skyline there to the left, you see a pyramid building. That building is the Holocaust Center. Just beyond that, you see several buildings with main rooftops. That's all part of the World Financial Center. You can visit the World Financial Center. There are many restaurants there, shops. You can walk along the harbor and admire the river. You can also visit the garden inside the World Financial Center. There are many offices located in this building. American Express, Wall Street Journal, Interactive, and many other corporations called the World Financial Center. You're looking to your left, you see the Battery Park. You'll also see a very long, white, colored building with a tower at the end with a green triangle. That is Pier A. That is New York City's very first stop. Today, there is a restaurant in the same longest bar in New York City. To the right of the boat, well, that's the borough of Brooklyn. New York City has 5 boroughs: Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, and the Bronx. Ahead of the boat, you can see once again the Brooklyn Bridge, completed in 1886. On the day they opened this bridge, there was a great festival. All the people prepared to walk on the bridge. As they started walking, they tripped and fell and screamed. All the people became frightened. They thought the bridge was falling, so they ran off the bridge. The mayor of the greater New York area couldn't do that. Because nobody would walk over the bridge. So he contacted P.T. Barnum from the circus. They asked him, please, P.T. Barnum, walk your elephants, including Jumbo, the largest elephant ever to ever, over the bridge to prove to the people that the bridge is safe. That's just what he did. After the elephants walked across, people have been walking across it ever since. One of the things you need to do before you leave New York City is walk over that bridge. Fantastic views of the skyline and of the river. You'll end up in Brooklyn Heights. You'll find many restaurants, you'll find the ice cream factory, you'll find many things to do. As we approach the bridge, keep looking to your left and you'll see the Purple Highway. That Purple Highway is the FCR Drive. You can walk along this highway to get to many locations, right under it. When we stop at Pier 36, if you want to visit different sites in Lower